I'm Dr. Paul Mitchell. I'm a veterinary dentist from the Boston area, and I'll be teaching the course Comprehensive Small Animal Dentistry. In this course, we're going to give attendees all the tools that they need to conquer dentistry. If you've been struggling with dentistry, having a problem educating clients and getting them to say yes, we're going to go over that. We're also going to cover intraoral radiography, the interpretation of dental x-rays. We're also going to be covering periodontal therapy, giving attendees tools that they can use to help save very important teeth and not just have to extract teeth. The other thing we'll be doing is covering intraoral analgesia, making sure that we can make patients feel more comfortable, as well as oral surgery. We're going to spend a lot of time of hands-on about dog and cat extractions and dealing with the complications that can sometimes occur. This course is designed for anyone that wants to know more about dentistry, that anybody that's been struggling with dentistry and wants to know how to make their technique better and enjoy dentistry more than they are now. This is a fun field. This is a lot of great information. We have excellent instructors who will take the time and give you the hands-on instruction that you need to take your dentistry to the next level. I look forward to seeing you there and having a lot of fun in Las Vegas.